All of a sudden, it feels like the Reggae Boyz with that massive win against Canada. It starts to feel like them start up back the Wagon. But let's give credit where credit is due though. After losing at home on Saturday, Coach Halgrimson and the boys had their backs against the wall. But this is why we love sports, and that is why we love football. The ultimate business is taken care of on the field of play. And in arguably Jamaica's best performance of the Halgrimson era, they ticked almost all the boxes on their way to getting this victory. They played with heart, passion, and commitment, led, of course, by the new central defensive midfielder, Damian Lowe, and have indeed booked their tickets to the CONCACAF Nations League semi-final, and more importantly, to next year's Copa America Championships, where they will rub shoulders with the likes of Leo Messi, Neymar, Darwin Núñez, Luis Diaz, etc. So big up the man in the driver's seat of the Wagon, Coach Jaime Halgrimson. Watch the run! Watch the run! Watch the run!